Oh, come on. Do you really think I was serious about selling this thing already? It's been pretty much a royal pain trying to get this old girl sorted out. And even still, it's not completely sorted, but I wanted to take a video here in the series to kind of break it down and show you where I'm at so far. In this video, we're gonna go over all of the costs associated with getting this Jeep back on the street so far. Trust me, there's been a lot of them. So the Jeep has slowly but surely been taking every penny that I have, getting it back up and running. That's kind of what they do. That's par for the course. But here's what I have so far, being a new battery and alternator for a combined $250. New transmission cooler lines, oil and coolant to go with that, a new radiator because of a dumb mistake, new fan belt, and then of course I have a bunch of other parts that are ready to go on the Jeep. The majority of these things that I'm showing now are just kind of regular old issues that I'm gonna end up having to sort out and go through at some point. But for a full breakdown, I went ahead and added everything up, and this is where we are. The combination of everything I just listed adds up to about $600, and that's before we get into any of the fun stuff. So in an effort to make the Jeep happy in the form of buying it gifts, we've got a new set of wheels and tires. Well, new to me. They're JK Rubicon takeoffs, but all black JK Rubicon wheel. Tires are in okay shape. 2 of them look brand new. 2 of them could use a little bit of love. I just got done unloading these from the Jeep, so that's why I'm wearing the gloves, and that's also why I'm sweating like crazy. But as I was mentioning, these tires are going to go on the Jeep. They are roughly like a 32. It's a 255/70 R17, so I think that's right around a 32, 33-inch tire maybe. Those are going to work just fine with the other thing I have planned for it. And I didn't mention it, but I did only pay $340 for the whole set of 5, actually. Whole set of 5. Now, of course, to fit those tires, we're gonna have to do a lift kit. At this point, I'm kind of leaning towards a 3 or a 4.5, still a little bit undecided. I know that I can fit them with a 4.5, no problem. 3 is probably gonna take a little trimming, but I've also never been afraid of cutting, so if you take everything I just gave you, plus another $550 for a lift kit so that I can fit those new tires, and add that to the original cost of $1,000 that I paid for this Jeep, we are sitting right at about $2,600 invested so far into the Jeep. So no, like I said before, the Jeep is not for sale, at least not yet. But once I have this thing all sorted, we're gonna do a final tally of everything that went into getting this Jeep ready for the road, and then we'll decide what the plans are for the future. Thank you guys so much for watching. Of course, this is another XJ video. If you guys are here for my XJ series, go ahead, subscribe, hit the like button, do all of those things. Tell me about your XJ in the comments below. I want to hear some ideas of some cool things that you'd like to see me do with it. Of course, once I get it ready to go. And then outside of that, if you're looking for more of the flatbed JK content, I have another video coming out shortly with an update for that Jeep as well. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.